Alright, we're out with the Rlaarlo AK-917. I'm going to try a 5S pass. Let's see. Oh, gotta do the GPS. Almost forgot it. I hate when that happens. Oop. Zero. All right. That's good. Oh, we got a car down here. Man, I'm liking this road. this is my second time down this road. I came a couple nights ago when I found it. And yeah, it's a lot nicer than what I was on, a lot longer. Ooh, I hit some rocks. All right, here we go. That went all right, I guess. Could have been worse, for sure. Let's see. Yep. $127. I still need to go longer. I'm not holding it, staying into it long enough. I'm just used to that short road I've been on. This road is much longer, and I'm still trigger shy, I guess is what you call it. Still nervous about staying in it. Every road I've been on has been short, or kind of short. And this one is quite a bit longer than my previous road, so I'll get used to it though. I will get used to it. Yeah, the ESC's not even running yet. That's crazy. 99. Yeah. Beauty. Yeah, it's a Leopard motor, 2650 kV. I think it's a 3674 can size, I believe. I'm just trying it out, just to see what it can do. I bought it like a year ago, and never really used it. But anyway, Mamba Monster X8 SESC, BSR foams, and China Hobby line battery. 5S 6200 milliamp. Right here. Right there, 5S. These are wires. Doesn't matter though. I'm just learning as I'm messing around here. I'm gonna leave that run for a second. I'm gonna try a 6S pass next, I guess. And that'll be it for the night. I'm finally getting the car dialed in decent. I totaled it during that competition a couple months ago, and I got it rebuilt now. Built my own chassis out of thicker carbon fiber, so it's stiffer. Yeah. All right, I'll be back.